A very good morning, sir. I, Isha Dikshit, on behalf of Truth Unfold, heartily welcomes the COO of Invicta Life Solutions, Mr. Sabrish Kannan.
Yes, ma'am.
Known for
Thank
its
you.
integrity and sincerity, Invicta Life Solution is an organization that aids critical care and medical support. As we all know that pandemic has affected health infrastructure the most, Invicta Life has provided people with pharmaceutical support in such times of despair. Moreover, Mr. Kannan is stepping forward with a new venture called Southentic. We wish you loads of luck for this new venture of yours, sir. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, good morning, and thank you for having me on this meet. Actually, so yes, ma'am. So yes, as you said, Ki, the pandemic has been a lot of issues for a lot of people, and we have lost lot of people, good people, and family, friends, and every single thing. That's depressing, but either ways, as Invicta says, Ki, we are all together in here, and we are supporting for every single human being and promoting the lightness and the well-being of people. Yes, ma'am. So I guess we can take it forward from here.
So, could you tell more about yourself and your company? Like
Yes, ma'am.
what is the initiative and
Yes, absolutely. My name is Sabrish Kannan, basically, and I belong from Chennai. So I have done my international marketing and MBA international marketing, basically. And I started this company like 7 years ago. So first, earlier the company's name was eLife. Then I changed the name from eLife to Invicta because I was somewhere my quench or my thirst was not fulfilled because eLife was standing for Essentials Life. But I wanted it to be something more big, like a brand that can stand for itself, basically. So then I came across the name Invicta, which means unconquered or undefeated. So from there, I took the name Invicta, and Life Solutions, as it stands for itself, keep providing the basic solutions of life to the people and the well-being to the people. So that's what basically Invicta Life Solutions is all about. Under Invicta Life Solutions, I have been doing what the pharmaceutical part, as you mentioned. Plus, I'm also into an exports business, but that's for frozen foods and all those stuff. And the rest, as you said, as you mentioned, Southentic is my new venture for the time being, actually, for the start. So other than that, if you talk about the pharmaceutical part, so that was my main business for the past 7 years. And under that segment, we had doctors tie-up, we had a OPD management system, we had our diagnostic labs and every single thing. Plus, we were catering to Delhi NCR for the medicines, basically. So we had the reach to the people at their home also. And in the pandemic situation also, I was been doing for the PPE kits, masks, and the basic necessities for the doctors who were curing and treating to the people under the pandemic situation. So that's basic of the Invicta, basically.
that's wonderful, sir. That's very wise initiative from you. So moving forward, Invicta Life is such a great initiative we came across. From where did you get this idea, and what was the basic inspiration behind it?
Ma'am, the idea or the inspiration is always like my father used to say that in life we should be focused to make a name, to make a brand, to make money, to make sales, to grow, and every single thing. But the main focus of a person should be always to, what do you say, to focus to help and promote the people, to help people out, to promote the growth of the people for the well-being and every single thing. That is what the motive behind the company's founding was. Key to help people, to give them the basic necessities, basic needs, and to reach people who are not able to get the things or something like that. So that's what I've been doing. So basic
That's
inspiration is my father.
wonderful.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, that's wonderful. Actually, there are very less people who actually think about helping people, and it's very wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you're currently providing your services in Delhi NCR for now, but are you looking forward to expand Invector Life services in India or any other country?
Actually, ma'am, the online pharmaceutical part was for Delhi NCR. Otherwise, export, as I said, so I'm already doing my exports in Nepal, Canada, Dubai also I'm doing, and I'm looking forward for US right now. And plus, if you talk about the basic pharmaceutical part, even I am planning to do it for the UP section also now. So I am by slowly and steadily we are trying to go. Secondly, exports, as I mentioned, I have been doing for countries, and Southentic is just a new baby and a new venture, basically. So I'll be doing that, but first we'll be starting with the Greater Noida part, then we'll be going down to Delhi, NCR, UP, and other states also as well. So that is our plans for the expansion.
Great, great. So, as we all know, pandemic has had a toll on our minds. We'd like to know how did you manage your mental status and motivation? From where did you get the motivation?
From the motivation, if you see the point of view, from my point of view, if you see for the motivation, so it was like, as I mentioned before also, even in the pandemic situation, I was been catering to the doctors and every single thing. I was attending to the hospitals and everything. So the motivation is very simple and very basic. That is our doctors and the COVID warriors who are looking after the patients and who are in the frontline warriors, basically. So I guess no more motivation no more than motivation can come from them. So that's the best motivation you can get, to seeing the doctors but rapidly doing their whatever that they can provide to the patients, to help them, to get them come back to their normal status of life and every single thing. I guess that will be the best motivation a person can get in this kind of a situation. Yes.
Yes, very true. So, talking about your other ventures, Southentic,
Yes,
what's
ma'am.
the USP of this venture, and why do you think this will attract others and will be a good option and a choice?
Ma'am, if you look forward, this is the stores called More and Reliance, Big Bazaar, and all those things you have heard and should have went somewhere. So what this is, they have it on a very larger scale, and I don't think it will be in every 5 kilometer radius or 10 kilometer radius you will be having More or something like that. So if you have that, it will be in a centralized place, a big market or something. So what Southentic is basically is, Southentic is providing every single thing, like whatever the More and everybody has, basically a hypermarket. Somewhat the concept is from Lulu. Like they have, Lulu is a basically company which is situated in Dubai. So what they do is they have their hypermarket, they have their supermarket, and they have their departmental stores as well, but in the name of their own brand. So that's what kind of that concept, that is what I'm trying to run here. So Southentic will be having the hypermarket, supermarket, and retail counters. All the three will be having the same products. All the three will be covering all the products and all the SKUs that are basic necessity, that's basic needs for the people. Plus, what the difference will be the quantity. Maybe the retail store, the general store will be having a lesser quantity as compared to the hypermarket. So that is what I'm doing. But pin to plane, you'll be getting it from all the three sections, all the three sectors and segments. You will be getting every single product. So that is the basic concept of the software.
That's a very far-sighted and a very structured plan. It's very good.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. So, most people opt for a job after the courses like MBA, but you chose to go for entrepreneurship, which required a lot of courage.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
was your mindset at that time, and what was the reason for this decision?
And the mindset and the reason was very simple actually, because like a lot of people say ki, after college I don't want to do a job, I want to start up my own or do something like a bootstrap company or something. But my main thing was ki, I wanted to do something for the society. I wanted to give the society something good, something new, something really what do you call, like affectionate, or like them, like I wanted to do something for the society basically, kind of that. So post that I also started this. So I guess what is better, making money and as well as making a brand on your own and helping the society. So all the three factors together comes hand to hand when you're an entrepreneur. So you have a lot of things and a lot of opportunities you can do the for the people and to the people basically. So I guess that.
That's very inspiring. So, now that we have come to an end of this wonderful session, so would you like to add something for to inspire many other people who would like to take an initiative like as you did? So, do you have to add on something to this?
Maybe just last thing I would like to say to inspire or motivate is you should be, matlab, you should not let yourself down even in this pandemic situation and every single thing. You should stay strong, and plus whatever we do, we should give it our 100% for efforts and every single thing. So, and to people, I would like to say that to serve the country, serve the nation, and to the people. That's what a person's motivation and a thought should be.
Thank you so much for this lovely and inspiring discussion, sir. We wish you best of luck for your future projects. It was actually great having you here.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you so much. It's all my pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.